Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will explain what is meant by frequency polygon. A frequency polygon is a visual way of representing quantitative data and its frequencies. For a frequency polygon, we join the midpoints of the upper sides of the adjacent rectangles of the histogram by means of line segments. For example, this is the model of the histogram. Upper sides of the adjacent rectangles, their midpoints we have to join this, and we will join by these midpoints. We will join by line segments, and we will get frequency polygon. There is another way of drawing frequency polygon. Frequency polygons can also be drawn independently without drawing histograms. For this, we have to plot class marks along x-axis and frequencies along y-axis. For example, this is class mark 5, 10, 20, 25. These will be plotted on x-axis and frequencies will be plotted on y-axis. 2, 4, 8. For example, this is first point, this is second point, this is third point, and we will join these. This is the frequency polygon. Now we will define some measures of central tendency. First is mean. If x1, x2, x3, so on up to xn are the n number of observations, then mean of the above data bar x will be sum of observations divided by number of observations. Implies bar x will be x1 plus x2 so on up to xn divided by number of observations is n. This is for ungrouped data. For grouped data, bar x will be sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi, where fi is the frequency, xi is the total sum of observations, xi are observations divided by number of frequencies. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi, total number of frequencies. Sum of product of frequency and observations divided by total number of sum of frequencies for grouped data. After this, the median. Second is median. The median is the value of the given number of observations, that value of the given number of observations which divides it exactly into two parts. So when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order, the median of the ungrouped data is calculated as when the number of observations, first when the number of observations n is odd, median is the value of the n plus 1 by 12th observation, n plus 1 by 12th observation. That is, if n is equal to 15, then median is the value of 15 plus 1 by 12th observation, which is equal to value of 8th observation. If the number of observations is even, then median will be the value of mean of n by 12th and n by 12th and observation. N is equal to 18. The median is the value of 18 by 12th and 18 by 2 plus 1, mean of 18 by 12th and 18 by 2 plus 1th observation. That is the value of 9th and 10th observation. 9th and 10th observation. 10th observation. After this, we will explain what is meant by mode. The most frequently occurring observation in a data is called the mode of the data.